Okay, in this question, we're asked to consider displacement. And because this is a bit of circular motion, a lot of students often get a bit carried away with radians and things like that. Actually, the question is fairly simple when you think about what you've got in front of you. So let's have a look. We want to know the magnitude of the displacement from x to y. Okay, and actually it could be from y to x, doesn't matter, we just want to know magnitude. We don't need to know any direction here at all. Now, if you notice here, it's possible for me to draw a right angle triangle with our center at the center of that circle. And that's going to be important here because the displacement is, the magnitude of the displacement, I should say, is effectively just the distance between those 2 points, x and y. And that distance is just the hypotenuse of that triangle. So if we represent that as xy, which is the distance between x and y, squared is equal to 0x squared plus 0y squared. That's the distance from the origin to x and y. And we remember that this is on a circle. The circle has radius r. Well, those distances ox and oy are both going to be equal to r because that's the radius of the. So therefore, what we have is xy squared is equal to r squared plus r squared, which is 2r squared. Now, if I want to know xy, which is the displacement from x to y, all I have to do is take the square root. And we're noticing there we've got a square root of r squared, gives me r, and a root 2, which gives me root 2r, or as shown in C, r root 2.